Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you want to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget to check out my weekday live streams that I do every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar did make a pretty significant little push down, but we are not even close to a Fibonacci level, and I am definitely still very, very bearish on the dollar, which means I am looking at anything I see to the downside as possibly nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. So I'm definitely extremely bullish on all the dollar pairs still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. If this really is a correction, then I would expect it to go right to one of these fib levels and then turn back up, most likely in a three-way pattern. So if this is a wave A and this move up is a wave B, and now we're currently in a wave C, then I would expect to see a fib bounce and a nice big engulfing move up, proving that it's a wave C, and then possibly continue in the uptrend. Now there is a possibility that this is a wave one, this is a wave two, and it's a wave three. If it is a wave three, then potentially it will not make like that double bottom shape that we're looking for at a fib level, but instead it'll just blow past all these Fibonacci levels. So if you don't get a big reaction at a fib level, then don't go long, because there is a chance it turns into a 1, 2, 3. There's a chance it goes down much further, but because of the dollar index and because of the higher time frames, I'm definitely looking at this move as possibly an ABC correction. Looking at my Fibonacci levels as possible area of support for likely the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. Link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.